Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cryptomator on a Windows PC step by step. A Cryptomator is a free and open source encryption tool that protects your files by encrypting them before they're stored in cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and many others. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Cryptomator website. Navigate to the download section and download the latest Windows version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Next, double-click the installer to begin the installation process. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes to continue. Now, follow the installation wizard. Review and accept the license agreement if prompted. Choose the installation location if you want to change it, and click Install. The setup will copy the necessary files to your computer, which usually takes only a few moments. After the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup wizard. You can launch Cryptomator immediately by leaving the Launch Cryptomator option checked, or open it later from the Start menu or a desktop shortcut if one was created. When Cryptomator opens for the first time, you can create your first encrypted vault by clicking Add Vault or Create New Vault, choosing a location, and setting a strong password. This password protects your encrypted files, so be sure to store it safely because you won't be able to access your vault without it. And that's it. You now know how to install Cryptomator on Windows and get started with securely encrypting your files before storing them in the cloud. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the